Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. We were at the Alliance National Rally this year and Lippert had a display set up and we was there a few times and looking around, and later on, a couple days later, I ran into GilComPlex On The Road. Tony and Larry. If you're not subscribed, they're two good guys and they have a lot of good content on their YouTube channel, so like and subscribe. But anyway, I can't remember which. I think Larry was carrying a bag, and he said he just bought a table off of Lippert. And I'm like, what table? I don't remember seeing a table. So we ran over right away, and lo and behold, we bought said table. I think the rally price was like back $120, $130.
Yeah.
So let's bust this open. There's some things I like and some things I don't like. So let's bust it open and check it out. Okay, first thing you have is a netting. We'll show you where that goes. And then here's your main frame. Oops. All right, let's set up the main frame first. All right, so you go ahead, you open up the frame, push up on both sides. I went it up here so it's a little easier. I don't have to bend over. Okay, so if you look here, there's little pins sticking out. So what you do, you pull the side up and it goes in just like that. Now you do that to both sides. And then one thing I do like about this table, it's height adjustable. So let's flip it over and we'll adjust the legs. Now there's only two settings on it. So that's your high setting. So you do the same to all four. Got that one back? There you go. All right, let's spin her back around. Now it comes with this netting and we've never put this on. So this could be the first time. So if we screw it up, that's life. So it looks like it's plain and simple. So they have Velcro straps on both sides here. So I'm going to assume that that wraps around there. And then the bottom one will wrap around here to hold it in place. Now I'll come around the other side and you can see a little bit better. And then we got two sets of Velcro. I'm going to put one here. And then the other one here. All right, I'm going to get the other two sides and then we'll get the center. Okay, now they have a center Velcro here, and we're not going to go super tight on it because I think the idea is to be able to reach inside here. All right, so let's get it set down on the ground and then we'll put the top on. This is the one part I don't like. Okay, after setting this down, I happen to notice something. They do have straps here that when you fold it up to hold it together, but I'm thinking if you put it together, cinch it up, it might pull these in a little bit better. We'll check it out and see. Naturally, I didn't read the directions. Okay, now when we originally opened this up, they had a gum band holding this top together. I'm gonna get a piece of Velcro just because it's very like trying to put together a slinky. So we'll get that part. Get this. See what I mean? You almost need two people to do this. All right, so this is how it should be stored. So we're going to get a Velcro strap and put around here just to hold it together. And then you have your center between the two parts. And then you want to take one, fold it out, and then take the other one and fold it out also. And then make sure you're down in here. And then we're going to slide my way some. Hold on. Okay, so that's actually the fastest I ever got this top on. Last couple times we had 2 people putting it on. It wasn't easy, but I think I'm getting better. All right, so now what you want to do is go underneath here, and there's a pull pin here, and there's a hole. So this is another part that's a little tricky. You have to try to line that up. I think the hole should be a little bit bigger, but if you move the pin around, a little bit, it'll hit that hole. All right, let me get the other ones, the other pins in the holes, and it'll all be sturdy then. Okay, as you can see, that wasn't too bad. The one thing I do like about this really is the height adjustment. We used to use one of the fold-up white tables, and it was always down lower, where this is a little bit higher. I'm 6 foot. Becky's only a couple inches shorter than me, so she's, for a woman, is considered pretty tall. And I think it's a good working area. And I did find the directions in there and glanced at it. It doesn't say anything about this strap. So whether you do or not, I really don't think it matters. But it's pretty nice. You do have storage underneath here. I really don't know what all you'd put in there. Do you have it?
Put paper towels under there.
Okay.
Extra napkins.
Okay.
And they probably wouldn't blow away.
Yeah. It would be nice if maybe they had a paper towel holder here incorporated into it somehow. I don't know about you, but I use a lot of paper towels when I'm cooking. Becky always hollers at me because I load the camper up with 10 rolls of paper towels and we're going away for a weekend, but you never know. Just for reference, this table is 30 inches deep by 56 wide. It's saying by 28. I think that's the height when it's lowered. I don't think that's the extended size, which they don't have that listed here. So, okay, that's about it. We really like this table. I think it's better than the fold up. It's so much bigger. Now, fold up is a lot heavier than what this is. And with the plastic on the other, you take a chance of burning it. We put the Blackstone on it, and I think this will hold up a lot better. It is pretty, as compared, it's about as sturdy as the white fold up table. Okay, so for 130 bucks, I think it's a good investment. How about you, Beck?
I agree. Plus, the carrying bag makes it easy. We had it at the lake.
Yes, yes. And like I said, I'm going to get a Velcro strap to hold this together so it's not all just slinking around on you. All right, so once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye. Bye.